Greetings everyone and welcome to week 6. It's hard to believe we're halfway through the course. The focus of week 6 is the global community and specifically geography. So there are 4 main tasks this week. The week 6 reading, which is part of chapter 10, not all of it. The cultural learning experience, which will be a little different with everything that's going on with COVID. And then geography resources and a shared Google slide deck that I'm calling Our Ideas Slide Book. And then reflecting on your geography instruction in Padlet. So for week 6, it's just a section of chapter 10, not all of it. So it's a pretty short reading. And then you're going to meet with your group between Thursday and Sunday. So when you go into Blackboard, it's week 6, the global community teaching geography. Okay, and you'll see the 4 main tasks. So here's the week 6 reading. And then again, to see the pages, you have to go to View Assessment. And you can, don't need to submit anything here unless you just want to write done in the Add Content space. The second task is the cultural learning experience, and it's going to look a little different this year. Usually students go out to churches and different types of grocery stores or different cultural gatherings that are happening, different cultural events. And I know that is difficult, that many of you are trying to avoid doing that. So what I want you to do is think outside the box and use a digital experience if you need to. There are plenty of cultural events that are on YouTube that you can watch, festivals, religious events, different types of learning about the community that you live in. And so it's okay if it's a digital experience, just make sure that your answers are very detailed. So here are the directions for the cultural learning experience. And again, you're going to click on View Assessment to be able to see the details. So these are the directions. You're supposed to go to and have a cultural experience, okay? And then identify and analyze the significance human beings attach to their differences. And then just follow these questions. You can do a PDF, Google Doc, or you can just go add content and write in this box. Okay, that's what I mean by the write submission box. So you can just write it right in here. It does not have to be in a Google Doc or in a PDF. This is absolutely okay. The third task is a reflection on your geography instruction. So I want you to think these 4 questions. What were the strengths of geography instruction that you received? What instruction was missing? Was your geography instruction culturally biased or insensitive? And what lessons would have helped you as a kid? And I want you to comment at least on at least 2 of the categories. Okay. So here's the Padlet. It's called Geography Instruction Reflection. And you're just going to click here and then view the assessment, and then go to the Padlet, and then there's another article here if you want more ideas on using Padlet. I think this is our last one. The final task is to investigate some geography resources and then come up with one idea for our shared slide deck. Now, your idea doesn't have to be really complicated. It's just an idea, okay? We're making an idea book. Different ideas that we have, and I've included an example slide from me on there. So it should be focused on images and less focus on text. So this is the Geography in the Classroom Resources folder, okay? And then this is the assignment, okay? So these are the resources. And then if you click on the assignment, again, you have to go to View Assessment. And then you're going to go to this shared slide deck. You're going to add a new slide and just be really careful because you're in a shared space that you don't delete or mess with anybody else's information. All right, and that's everything for week 6. I hope you have a good week. Please send me any emails or messages on Slack if you prefer, if you have any questions, and I'll be sending out an email when I've updated grades. I know I have quite a few assignments that need to be graded, so I'll be getting on those beginning this week, and I will send you an email. All right, take care.